Hello and welcome to my game. My game title is The Island, and on the first page it's the welcome screen, basically saying welcome to the island, and all I did here was use on event for the click to play button, which when click switches to the first scene in the storyline. As it says while traveling to Thailand, you look out your plane window to see one of the plane engines suddenly catch on fire. On the speaker, your captain says, "Attention, everyone, we are going down. Everyone brace for impact." For here, I just used a PNG image for the fire, which created the fire image without any background to it, and I just used text box to create the narrative boxes, and then I use on event to click screen to continue. I use the same on event methods here, and the first text box says you black out as soon as the plane crashes. You wake up to an island that has a strange feeling to it. You appear to be the only survivor, yet you don't feel alone. Then you tap the screen again on event. Down here it says you turn around and you see this monk who says if you want to go back home to start this day, then you must find 10 magical hidden objects on the island and bring them to me. Determined, you set on your quest. Then on event one more time. Now for this one, this is the actual game screen. I hid objects throughout the whole entire screen, and if you find one particular object in general, then you will automatically win. And if you find all of them, then again you will automatically win. And one of the big things that I used for this page is that I used a timer, and I created a variable and I named it seconds. Then I created a time loop for 1000, which is milliseconds, of course, and then I switched it to start at 200, and I told it to -1 after every second. And so when that happens, that starts as soon as you hit this text box using on event. So when you click it, the timer automatically starts. So you have 200 seconds to find all the objects hidden. For example, I hit the skull, the sword, the cross, the wings, the genie lamp, the lizard, the bottle, and the dagger, and the candle, and the crocodile. Now when that happens, it says, you did it, the monk has congratulated you, and is taking you to a temple where you fall asleep and wake up. Safe and sound back home, but something is drawing you back. Can you resist it? Can you resist it? And that's basically telling you to go back to the start of the game. Now, when the timer hits 0, I use an if-else statement to determine what happens if that concludes to be the ending option. What happens is that once it hits 200, which will happen in just a second, it will go to the lose again screen where you can have the option to play again, but it also gives you a little bit more of the story with another picture and another text box. So this game is basically an interactive story and a game as well. I got the inspiration from, I always love to play those hidden object games, and this is one of the unique algorithms and programs that help me create my own. And here we can see the lose screen. It says the time is up and the monk has disappeared. It seems as though you'll be lost in the jungle forever. And on top we have a button that says play again if you dare, and once clicked, it goes back to the home screen. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope this will give you a better understanding of how the game was made.